Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
which ligament carries ovarian artery in the lateral wall. Suspensory ligament of ovary will carry ovarian artery in the lateral wall. Most common site of ureteric injury during hysterectomy is where it is crossed by the uterine artery. Most common site of ureteric injury during hysterectomy is where it is crossed by uterine artery. This site is called as water under the bridge. The first most common site of ureteric injury is where it is crossed by the uterine artery. The second most common cause is near the pelvic brim. With regards to labia majora, all are correct except. So it is homologous to the scrotum of the males. Yes, it is supplied by branches of internal and external pudendal artery, drains into the superficial inguinal lymph nodes. Broad ligament terminates at the anterior end. It's not broad ligament, it's actually round ligament which terminates at the anterior end. So this is the wrong statement. It is round ligament which terminates at the anterior end of the labia majora.
thank you for watching.